This video is about how to pronounce the phoneme B, and you can hear this in bat, baby, table and book. So what you need to do is to put your lips together. Your tongue isn't touching anything and it's B, B, B. You should be able to feel some vibration in your throat. So it's B, B, B. So what some speakers do is they make this too soft. So it sounds more like a sort of rary instead of a baby. It's quite an explosive sound. It's ba, ba, ba. And you really need to put your lips together to make this sound. An example of a sentence with these sounds is Bob bought a big balloon for his birthday. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, check out some of my other phonetics videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.